everyone! It's me again, Ma'am Mariel, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, ito na nga, may panibago na naman tayong video, and ang video natin ngayon is para naman sa aking mga grade 7 students over the screen. And of course, kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking YouTube channel, si Ma'am Mariel po ay gumagawa ng iba't ibang math tutorials in any grade levels, and ina-upload ko yan dito sa YouTube, which is nandun siya sa iba't ibang playlist ko dito if ever maghahanap ka ng tutorials na gusto mo hindi mo kagad ma-suggest ito sa akin. You can just go to my YouTube channel and go to my playlist. Ayan, meron ako pang grade 6, pang grade 7, pang grade 8, 9, 10, and even senior high na playlist dito sa YouTube. Okay, nagtanggal tayo ng glasses kasi reflect pala siya sa bintana. Ayan, napakaganda ng ating liwanag dito and napakaganda mag-video. Anyway, mas gugustuhan ko talagang mag-video every afternoon kasi maganda yung lighting. Ayan. So anyway, kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking YouTube channel, please huwag mo muna kalimutang mag-subscribe, i-like tong video, and i-hit mo na din yung notification bell down below para syempre palagi kang updated whenever na magpo-post ako ng mga math tutorials dito sa YouTube. You can also follow me on my social media accounts in here. Ayan, kasi updated din ako dyan sa Facebook tsaka sa TikTok. If ever na gusto nyo lang naman maging updated sa mga tutorials na ina-upload ko. So, ayun lang. Without further ado, without any daldal, tara na, simulan na natin ang pag-aaral right after the intro. So what are we going to discuss today is all about evaluating an algebraic expression or algebraic expression. And this lesson is for grade 7, second quarter. Okay, so I have prior discussion about algebraic expression. Ililink ko yan dito sa taas. Ayan, ilalagay ko dito yung link kung saan nyo mapupuntahan yung discussion ko all about algebraic expression, yung mga definition of terms, ng variables, ng constant, coefficient, ayan, nandun yan ng mga terms. Diniscuss ko yan doon sa video na yon, and ilalagay ko nga yan dito para syempre updated kayo bago nyo simulan or bago nyo puntahan yung lesson na ito all about evaluation of algebraic expression or evaluating. Okay? And of course, diniscuss ko na din doon yung iba't ibang types of algebraic expression which is nagiging polynomial, like monomial, trinomial, binomial, baliktad. Which are the monomial, binomial, trinomial, and multinomial. Nandun yan sa nauna kong discussion all about this one. Medyo matagal na yung discussion na yon, and syempre itutuloy ko lang siya ngayon, and gayon nga is, ang gagawin natin is the evaluation of algebraic expression. Okay? And we have here, just a recap lang, meron tayo ditong expression, we have 3x plus 4. And when we differentiate equation to expression, ayan, i-differentiate muna natin siya para syempre may idea kayo ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng equation tsaka expression. Okay? So, ganito lang kasimple. Whenever na may makikita kayong mathematical sentence na mayroong equal, for example, equal to 0 or equal to 1, okay? That is an equation. Bakit siya equation? Kasi nagkaroon ng equal sign. Yun yung palagi nyo tatandaan. Yun yung pagkakaiba ng equation sa expression. Ang expression is kapag wala naman siyang equal sign. That is what we call an expression. Kagaya na lang nito. Wait lang, next one. Kagaya na lang yan. 3x plus 4. That is an example of an expression or an algebraic expression. And just a recap din, when we say algebraic expression, ito yung pinagsama-samang mga terms na pinaghihiwalay ng iba't ibang fundamental operations, ng mga variables, constants, ayan yung nilalaman, mga coefficient, yan yung mga nilalaman ng algebraic expression, like this one. So, identify natin alin ba dito ang constant term. So, remember, constant term siya yung merong fixed value, which is nag-iisa lang siya, wala siyang kasama, loner, kumbaga, charot. So, dito, si 4 ang constant term, okay? Then, dito naman, itong si 3, bakit hindi siya constant term, ma'am? Kasi si 3 ay may kasamang x, and kapag in-evaluate natin yan, magkakaroon siya ng panibagong value, which is ang constant kasi fixed value siya. Kung ano yung value niya, yun lang talaga. Therefore, itong 3 siya naman yung ating coefficient or numerical coefficient. Coefficient. Okay? So, yan yung tinatawag natin coefficient. While ito namang x, siya naman yung tinatawag natin na variable. Okay? Remember lahat ng letters in an expression, those are what we call the variables. Okay? So, dati ang tawag sa kanya, it's either variable or literal coefficient. Kaya nga meron tayong numerical coefficient. Ibig sabihin, number yon. Tapos, literal coefficient is letters. But later on, tinatawag na lang natin siyang variables, yung mga letters. And then, yung mga number na may kasamang variable, tinatawag na natin siyang coefficients. Okay? Or numerical coefficient pa din. Okay, ganun lang kasimple. So, recap lang yon, okay? And of course, ang tawag dito sa buong to, yan, dun sa mga pinaghihiwalay ng fundamental operations, like ito, pinaghiwalay siya ng plus, si 3x tsaka si 4. Ang tawag sa kanila ay term. Ayan, first term, second term. And that is a binomial. Diba? Ganun lang kasimple. Okay, so now let's move on to the evaluation properly. And we have here our example number 1. Evaluate 2x plus 5 if x is equal to 4. Ito, sobrang simple lang nito mga bunso. All you have to do is to substitute the value of x or the variable to the expression and then just operate or simplify and then makukuha nyo na yung sagot. For example, ayan, 2x plus 5, we have 2. Kopyahin nyo lang. Si x ay 4, therefore papalitan nyo to ng 4, which is, that is the substitution method. So that is 2 times 4 plus 5. And then just simplify. 2 times 4, that is 8 plus 5. Therefore, that is equal to 13. Kasi 8 plus 5 is 13. As simple as that. Ganun lang kabilis mag-evaluate ng algebraic expression. Okay, wag natin masyadong pakomplikahin. Ganun lang siya kasimple. And kayang-kaya nyo to, of course. Okay, now let's have our example number 2. We have evaluate 3x squared or 3x raised to 2 plus x if x is equal to 2. Ayan, same lang din kanina. You're just going to substitute the value of x to any x in here. Sa lahat ng x na meron dito sa expression. So, we have 3 times the value of x is 2. Ayan. So, 2 raised to 2 plus x ulit. Therefore, that is 2. Tama? And then, simplify. Unahin muna yung merong parenthesis at saka exponent. Tama? Remember the PEMDAS? Ayan, the order of operations. Dapat ay knowledgeable enough din kayo doon. So, palagi ko yung ginagawa ng tutorials, mapa TikTok man, Facebook, tsaka dito sa YouTube. Okay? So, we have 3, kopyahin. 2 raised to 2 or 2 times 2, that is 4. Therefore, we have 3 times 4 plus 2. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 2. Therefore, that is 14. Ayan. The answer is 14. Ganun lang kasimple. So now, let's move on to our example number 3. We have evaluate 4 times a minus 3 plus 5 if a is equal to 7. Same process, ibaba lang natin yung mga hindi natin isa-substitute. So, 4 times a is 7. Tama? So, we have 7 minus 3 plus 5. Okay? Then, of course, it has something to do with the order of operations or the PEMDAS. Diba? So, unahin natin yung may parenthesis palagi. Okay? Kahit ito ay multiplication, uunahin mo pa rin yung parenthesis kasi we have PEMDAS. Okay? So, remember, kapag ka-evaluating or evaluation ng mga expressions, mathematical expressions, palaging kasama nila si MDAS or PEMDAS or GEMDAS, basta order of operation. So, you better have an extra knowledge about that. Okay? So, 4, 7 minus 3, that is 4 as well, plus 5. And then, of course, multiply. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 5, that is 21. So, the answer is 21. And ganun lang kasimple. And now, for our last example, we have evaluate 4x minus 6y plus 5. This is a trinomial, right? Kasi we have 1, 2, 3. 3 terms. Tama? If x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Okay, so dalawa na to. Remember, kapag ka mag-evaluate kayo, palagi nyo lang titingnan kung ano ba yung mga variables given at saka palagi kayong nakaantabay sa mga nakalagay na value ng each variable na i-evaluate nyo. Okay? Or expressions na i-evaluate nyo. So, we have 4 times x. Our x is 2. So, substitute 2 minus 6 times y, and the value of y is 3. So, we have 6 times 3 plus 5. Okay? Kasi kinopya natin yan, no? Tama. And then, just simplify or evaluate. 4 times 2, 8. Minus 6 times 3, that is 18. Plus 5. Okay? And then, right after that, we have 8 minus 18. 8 minus 18 is equal to negative 10. Diba? Sa integers. Remember? Since itong 8 ay positive, itong 18 ay negative, you are going to subtract and then copy the sign of the highest number. That is negative 10 plus 5. Okay? Negative 10 plus 5, the answer is negative 5. And ganun lang kasimple mag-evaluate ng algebraic expression. So that is all for this video. Thank you so much everyone for watching. And I hope na may natutunan kayo sa akin in this video. And of course, always remember to make your day productive by gaining knowledge. Again, this is me, Mariel, and see you on my next video. God bless everyone.